It's just another day at all. It's fucking work.
So it don't work.
Yeah, it's just fucking
No effort.
No effort. That's all. Yeah, like, I got the effort shit out the way, like, when I first started doing this, but, like, now that I'm just so good at it, it's just kind of like...
Who touched you in your dream, though?
Pop. That's why I'm the way I am.
What he said to you?
Pop.
You gotta hear this one.
Yeah,
What he said to the
camera. Hey, this is BZ TV, right? YouTube, Facebook, whatever. This is BZ TV. This my boy Young Boss.
I'm in this bitch.
Smoke. You know what I'm saying? Cop a lot of stuff.
4G. Actually, my 4 and my 3 on, so I'm on 7G right now.
7G shows, you know what I'm saying? Stuff, gutter. I promise I forgot the name.
Mr. Bean here, you know.
Mr. Bean, you know what I'm saying?
First time.
My bad. I just met him.
Yeah.
My bad.
Hey, this is the first time I've been on TV. This what it is.
This is the first time. This my third time.
Mom, I made it. I'm on the wall.
I was gonna
I made it, Mom.
Come on. Tell him about the drug. Alright, so look,
What you was doing before you was asleep, though?
I was just chilling. I was writing. You know what I'm saying? I was working on some new shit, and like I was feeling my hotness level, but I knew it could be hotter, right?
You was on top of what?
I was on top of my ego. You know what I'm saying? So I went to sleep, and I seen the light. And when I saw the light, like, everybody say don't go towards the light because you don't come back. But I went towards the light because I do the fuck I want to do anyway. You know what I'm saying? I make my own fucking rules in life. So when I went to the light, it was my man's there. It was Pop. And that nigga touched me. He was like, yo, Pop. Tupac, nigga.
Bald-head nigga.
The bald-head nigga.
Brenda got a baby, Tupac.
Brenda got a baby, nigga.
What's his daddy name?
Who? You talking about this? Who, his dad? I don't know his fucking dad's name. I know his dad's name. But I know Opinion, though. Well, they ain't say too much about Pop Dad.
Okay.
I think he's probably hanging out with my dad.
You know the American Gangster.
For sure. So, anyway, the nigga touched me and he just told me, like, yo, that's all you need right there. I was like, that's all I need right there? He's like, that's all you need right there because that's going to fuck everybody shit up. So, it's kind of like, now I got that Bruce Leroy glow. You know what I'm saying? When he came up out the water and caught the bullet and shit with his mouth. I'm kind of on that type of shit right now. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even got my jewels on and I'm shining like it's my fucking aura. And I'm in here with BZ the Great. So it's cool, man. I'm gonna get ready to clock in though, so you gotta follow me in a minute.
Hey, Mom.
That's a nice story.
So proud of me right here, right now. This HD and GFS.
Will you ever hear a story like this again?
Man,
Hold on, man. I'm gonna play this card over. It ain't black with this card though.
Hey, Mom.
Will you ever hear a story like this ever like again?
I'm so proud
No,
of
you
you.
won't. Must be BZ TV.
So proud of you. Must be. You gonna see a lot of me on Must Be. Must Be me. Shit. But we finna go in right quick. What you about to, okay, y'all finna do the ride to that?
Yeah.